Open the lid and fill the water tank with drinking water. The water level should not exceed max level, as indicated on the water gauge. Place the funnel securely into the funnel holder. Insert the permanent filter basket into the funnel. Add coffee powder into permanent filter. Close the top cover completely. Place the carafe handle closed horizontally onto the warming plate. Press the power button, then brewing will begin. You can pause brewing anytime by on-off button. Press the on-off button again to resume brewing. You may remove the carafe to pour coffee at any time. Brewing pauses automatically. Replace the carafe within 30 seconds to avoid spills. When brewing finishes about 1 minute after dripping stops, remove the carafe and serve. Use the hour or min button to select the needed prog time. Then press the prog button again to confirm the set time.